I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about threads and you will click. Then this page of app info. You will go here to Forcestop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next